Are you gonna help me? That's the biggest fucking spider I've ever seen in my life. I got it. Don't worry about it. Are you gonna help Dad? Perfect. Yeah, look at that LB7 smoke, baby. Because it's freaking America Day, that's why. Alright, that lighting is going to be kind of weird, like I gotta stay right there. But today, we're going to be doing another Camaro upload with my daughter, which you guys seem to enjoy. The motor mouth over here every single time I do a video, interrupting anything that I try to accomplish. But we're going to take a sip of my Monster, which is normal, put in a dip, and get working on the car. So looking at this hood, this almost makes me feel like this was resprayed when we initially had the 88 Camaro, because this was the original hood off of the 1988 Camaro. Makes me feel like they used body filler. And this, well, the 88 in general was resprayed before, but there's a lot of imperfections in this hood that's going to need body filled. Like this right inside here, you can definitely feel there's like a really good wave right there. These ends are going to be a pain in the ass, just being completely honest, with flaking and everything like that. But we should be able to reuse this hood 100%. It's going to be a process to get all these plastic dip off, because I'm using 150 grit instead of using the 80 like I was on the rest of the car to kind of gnar everything up. I ran out of pads, so we're going to keep moving forward, try to get this whole hood cleared off, because I'm going to end up doing all the body filling and all the prep inside the garage. Eventually the car is going to go back into the garage so I can get all the paint prep ready to roll. Alright guys, unfortunately with work I'm going to have to cut this video a little bit short. This hood has been very, very time consuming, and it's going to be even more time consuming when we go to actually make this hood perfect for when it goes on the car and to get painted. I didn't get the whole hood done today. I didn't expect to get the whole hood done today just because there's a lot of crap, so we still have a little bit of a strip right in through there. But for the most part, I mean, some of this stuff is like really in decent shape. You can definitely feel some of the imperfections, like I said, right here. Another imperfection that I'm dealing with is actually right over here on the side. Got a really, really nice dent right inside here that we're really gonna have to work out. But overall, this project is going to be very time consuming. I've said that in plenty of videos before. But the ultimate payout at the end is going to be freaking phenomenal to see this car completely transformed. I know sanding it that way is not the way that you're supposed to be sanding it. I'm going to be spending a lot of time actually prepping the pieces that are going on in the car for paint in the garage this winter. Getting the plastic dip off kind of sucks because the plastic dip is like really caked on there. So if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, guys, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one.